Hi, here's another video. I've got this KingSong S22 Unicycle to have a look at today with a 21 error. I'll just pop it on its stand and switch it on, show you. It's booting up. Okay, this is the error code 21. 32 is for the handle at the bottom that just needs flicking up, but it's a 21 error code. And if you have a look at the app, it shows you that the motor is experiencing high temperature, even though I've just switched it on. Just tells you to switch it off and let it cool down. Obviously you won't. Okay, so let me just switch it back off again. And what I'm going to do, just going to remove the main motor. There's just 8 bolts on the top here. I'll just undo them lively, save a bit of time. And I've undone the connections for the battery and the lights, just undoing the connection which goes to the motor. Just 3 phase wires and another connector. And I've accidentally hit the power button, even though it's not connected, it still holds a lot of power. So let me see if I can deplete some of that. And then I'll just continue to remove the control unit. Okay, this is the top cover, which you can see me removing lively here. And that's the main board underneath. I'm just doing a bit of research from Eco Drift on the internet. Okay, so I managed to find, it looks like this machine has, it looks like the board's been worked up before, and there's a lot of erosion here around the terminals. And you can see me just checking the capacitors, and I've removed the board. You can see the MOSFETs at the back, and there's a lot of, looks like the weather's got into here because a lot of the connections just look a bit eroded. That's the model number there of the main board. Okay, so I'm just using the thermal compound to fit the unit back together. The board, just pop that down, keeps the MOSFETs cool, and I'm just trying to resolder some of the eroded terminals. So here you can see me just fitting it back together, lively again. Okay, next day I switch it back on. As you can see here, still got the same error code. Let me just flick this handle up to get rid of the 32. As you can see, 21 error code. Cannot get rid of it. I've changed the wheel. The 21 indicates that it's the wheel temperature sensor, but it's exactly the same error. So I'm thinking it could be a problem with the board. Let me just show you here. It will stand. Lock that handle in, but apparently the rider says it, I think it tips backwards. You can only go so fast on it because of the error. But this is as far as it got. Didn't manage to resolve it. I'm assuming the main board's obviously faulty. Please leave a comment, as I cannot find anything to do with this 21 error on the internet. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.